In this tutorial, so I'm going to be showing you guys the best AI tools that you can use for video creation. All right, in case you want to start animation, you want to start AI video creation, these are the best AI free tools, right? So I actually compiled these tools. These are free tools that you can use to create your videos, to animate your videos, to create anything that you want to create. They are free packages, and I'm going to show you how to get them for free. Make sure you watch this video to the end. And if you are seeing this channel for the first time, so make sure you subscribe to this particular channel, because this channel where I teach people everything about AI. All right, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you watch the video to the end. So the first thing we want to do, go over to our ChatGPT. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a prompt. Create a 6-second video prompt of a guy talking about AI advancement. So I'm going to use this prompt to test run all the free AI platform. So I'm going to use, so first of all, I'm going to go to Digent.ai. Now Digent.ai has all the features that you need. Now it has different AI tools. Now it has both Veo 3, Sora 2, Grock AI, Kim 2, Kim 3, Seedance. Now you can pick anyone. Now I just need to pick one and use it to generate a video for you to see. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick Grock AI. So this is Grock AI. You can see now it's currently on 5 seconds. You can increase that, but if you over increase it, can finish your unit. They normally give you free 24 hours units to create. So I'm going to go ahead and just paste my prompt here. Go ahead and publish. So it's going to load just a few seconds, and then it's going to downloading. Alright, so now you can see what is created. So we did not indicate, we're supposed to indicate 9:16. You can see the video it created. So you can't hear the voice because I'm currently using the mic. So the voice is perfectly okay. You can see generating. You can go ahead and click on that download button. I will be able to download it from here. Very easy. So you can consider using this particular platform to generate your free videos. Okay. Now we'll go over to my Arena AI. Now Arena AI is one of my favorite one, very important. And this one has battle mode. So let me teach you what that is. Now you have battle mode. Battle mode, you have side by side. What battle mode means that it's going to give you different designs, and you're going to have to pick from. All right. If you go to single, that means a single chart. It means that you're going to just design only one thing. Now Arena AI you can use to create websites. You can use to create your video and your image. So you have different options. We're going to go ahead and just check our direct. Our direct will give you access to different AI tools. Now, just like the first one we did, this one has different AI tools. You can see that's Claude Sonnet. This is Gemini 3.1 Pro. We have Minimas. We have Claude, Hawk, Gemini Flash. You can see this is Grock 4. Now, I can bet you that most of the AI tools you are seeing here is ChatGPT 5. You have not seen most of them before, but all of them are here. So Arena AI will give you access to most of those AI tools you have not seen before, and you're able to access them and use all of them for free. So that's why in most cases I usually use Arena AI. I was formerly using Arena AI. Look at Kimi 2.5 and Kimi 2. Kimi is a very popular, is fast rising AI apps. All right, you can see it here. You can access it for free. It's very expensive, but over here you can access Kimi for free. Okay, you can see Grock image generation. Grock imaging is here, so you can use any particular app that you want to use. But for this particular process, we're just going to try and use the same. I'm going to use the same prompt. All right, I'm going to use the same prompt across. I'll click on image for me to go to video. I'm going to say I'm going to paste the prompt here. The same prompt I used before. I'm going to use one prompt all through to see what different AI apps and different platforms, what are they able to create. Now here I'm going to indicate that you should make it ratio 16:9. I didn't do that the first time, so that's why it gave us that kind of a landscape. That was 9:16. 16:9. This is going to be a landscape design. You can see it's currently loading. It's going to load two different. It's loading A and B. So while it's loading, I'm going to move over to the next. So that's Arena AI for you. Now here we have Qwen.ai. Qwen.ai has so many features as well. It's almost just like Arena AI. You can create image, you can create video. Okay. So the only difference between this is that you don't have multiple. It don't give you access to different AI tools. He himself is just one single AI tools. Okay, I'll go ahead and paste the prompt, the corrected prompt this time around, and I'm going to load it. So just wait for like a few seconds, like 10 to 15 seconds, and then you go to done loading your videos. Now you can see the video that we created. All right, so you cannot hear the voice because I'm going to use the mic, like I said before. Okay. Now, one thing I want to check, the background. Okay, the background of the video. You can see what they created. All right, now all the AI tools are giving different kind of videos, but I think this one stands out. Anyway, we'll check out other ones to see which one is better. So don't forget that we are using this for free. Now there are other things you can also do with it. We can do web search, artistic work. It can help you to plan your travel tour. There are so many things you can do. But the purpose of this tutorial, we're looking at apps that we can use to generate image, animate our image or generate video. This is direct video generation. Just so you know, this is direct video generation. Okay. Now we also have what we call meta.ai. Now this is meta.ai. So in meta.ai, we can go ahead and just create video directly. You can see the options we have. And we click on that create video. It's going to give you more options. Create a video from my photo, which is to animate your video, or you can go ahead and just, create your video directly. Right, without animating your photo direct, just click on it and it's going to go ahead and your image will be generated. Now there's a beautiful part about this particular Meta AI. The way you generate your videos in batch. All right, Arena AI gives you about 2 different videos to pick from. Meta AI is going to give you about 4 different kind of videos to pick from. As you can see, it's generating 4 different types. I'm going to now the first one is done generating. We're going to go ahead and just click on it to check it out to see. Okay. Now you can see this video also makes sense. Now don't forget that we are using the same prompt, but you can see the output we are getting. The output we are getting is kind of different. That's because they are different platforms, different AI tools. But this one now gave us different videos. So you could go ahead and check out the videos to see which one is better. Okay, I think this one also did well. So I just need something different. Okay, the environment should be different. Should be a bit. The background is kind of rough here. I don't know. I think the first one is more cleaner than this. So we'll go ahead and check the third one that I created. Now, mind you, all these videos are the same thing. So anytime you use Meta AI to create a video, it's going to give you different type of video. All right, so this one made more sense. All right, the environment is still look okay, though the environment is kind of blurry. I think that was done on purpose. Now we'll go ahead and check. At least this last one has a different picture, a different person entirely. Okay, this one look more real. So Meta AI give you options to pick from, right? So that's the good thing about Meta AI. So in case you are looking for a free platform to generate your video, maybe you are doing animations, you could consider Meta AI. Now another one we're going to go to is gemini.ai. As you can see, just type it on your search bar and you'll be able to access it. Now you can create video from here. Now the default video generation app on Gemini Gen is Grock AI. You can see Grock AI is already here. We have View 2, Meta AI is also here, King AI is here. And the one that is default here is Grock AI. Right? We're just going to go ahead and see if we can generate with this Grock AI. Paste our prompt here. Now don't forget that it costs units. Okay, the orientation is landscape 16:9. Right, the resolution is 480. We'll take it to 720. That will be higher. We'll eat more units, and the duration will be 6 seconds. You can also increase it to 10 seconds. It's going to eat more units. You can see now we have credits. Credit that we have is just 10 credits. So you know how you are going to manage your credits. If I go ahead and click on generate, okay, Grock video temporarily unavailable for free users. Okay, they are currently having a downtime. So we're just going to go ahead and pick. This is the usefulness of all these apps. Now they have different apps. Now we're going to pick View 3. I'll go ahead and pick View 3. Pick that, then I'll go down and see all the details that I've already filled before. They are still there. So I'm going to make sure that I'm not leaving anything untouched. So the 16:9 is currently picked. Instead of 8 seconds, I'll take it to 6 seconds. Now, this will cost zero credit. In other words, it's not going to cost much. So, in case you enjoy what I'm doing here, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, so you can see now you can go ahead and generate your video. You have different options. You have different options. In case one server is down, you can use another server. This is the usefulness of all this. Now, tell me, which of the video generation platform do you prefer with all of them I've shown so far?
AI is changing everything, from business and education to healthcare. The future is arriving faster than ever.
AI is changing everything from business and education to healthcare. The future is arriving. AI is changing everything from business and education to healthcare. The future is arriving.